Let me request Shri Mohit Suri ji, जो चेयरमैन हैं इंडियन इंडस्ट्री एसोसिएशन के, to come on the stage and give his views on the subject.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, members present on the dais, ladies and gentlemen. It was in the year 1985, 38 years or 37 years from now, that a young Prime Minister from India went on the world stage and gave a speech which I still remember. I am young and I dream of an India self-reliant, self-efficient. Those words were very good and they were today's thinking. But unfortunately for last 37 years, we did not see actions on the ground to make India self-reliant, self-efficient. First of all, I am very thankful to this state government and the central government who are at least trying to live that dream. The pandemic, which we were hit by 2 years ago, that has completely changed what the world thinks and what India thinks. I will first talk about the challenges. The challenges which the pandemic has created. It has changed the dynamics of industry completely, and especially for a MSME industry. And I'm not very sure that what the future lies for the MSME industry in the country today. Whether the way the government's will is there to promote MSME, but what these ground realities are. Every MSME industry is badly hit. There might be a difference in percentage due to the pandemic. And the way the raw material prices are going up, the way the working capital requirements are going up, it is very unrealistic because for last 2 years, all SMEs have suffered losses and prices of each and every commodity in last 1 year or 2 years have gone up by 70%, let it be steel, let it be plastic, let it be rubber. आप सबको पता है कि raw material prices का क्या हाल है. Atmanirbhar Sitare program is a very good initiative by Uttar Pradesh government, particularly at a time when the world is looking at India. After pandemic, the world is looking at India to be its main supplier partner. And we have the entrepreneurs, we have the MSMEs who can cater to the world. The only thing we lack, there are 2 factors in which we lack in. One is technology upgradation to the MSME sector. And thirdly, as sir rightly pointed out, cheaper credit. I think if the SME in India gets these 2 things, there is no stopping us, and we will definitely be replacing China in years to come. There are certain suggestions which I would like to give. One is digitalization platform, digital platform to connect buyers who are established suppliers with the manufacturers. This would really help the SME sector in if whatever small products they are making, if the government can help to get them buyers in India and abroad. The initiative taken by the government on the O2P is also very good. The government is rightly thinking, the government's focus is to stop exports from China and manufacture those products in India. For example, toy industry. I don't know if somebody is here from toy industry. Toy industry is going through a major reform. Before pandemic, we had 90% of our toys coming from China, which has drastically changed now, and a lot of toy manufacturing has started in India. There are certain challenges which the exporters are facing that also needs to be pointed out. One is the pending GST refunds. The pending GST refunds of MSME exporters is running into crores and crores, which is a big bottleneck at this stage where working capital requirements because of the commodity rise of the prices have gone up, and on top of this, such sort of a problem is adding to the problems of working capital. The second is international freight. International freight, due to the imbalance of containers, is also causing a lot of havoc in the exporters. Their costs have nearly gone up 3 to 4 times. So if we actually want to be Atmanirbhar and we want more Ubharte Sitare, these major concerns need to be addressed. As before I end, I would like to say that all those SMEs who have survived this pandemic and who have survived the last 30 years in Uttar Pradesh are definitely Ubharte Sitare. Thank you.